Hi everyone, we are making this Z-fold card with Notes of Nature and the painted lavender stamp sets. I am cutting the Night of Navy mat at 5 1/4 and 4 inches. And then I am going to cut the white paper at 5 inches and 3 3/4 of an inch. I'm using the Notes of Nature background stamps and using gray granite ink to stamp the background. You can see that I am stamping it off the paper first to get a lighter version, and then I'm stamping on the paper. I'm using various background stamps, and I forgot to mention that I did put the sentiment on first in Night of Navy. The reason why I did this was because I can position the bouquet better. I'm using Highland Heather, Fresh Freesia, and Old Olive for the bouquet. The Old Olive, I'm stamping the stems at an angle so that the whole bouquet can fit on this page. And I am stamping the lavender in Highland Heather first. Then next I use Fresh Freesia to add some depth and color. Here is an easy way of how I make a bow. I make 2 bunny ears. I loop one of the bunny ears inside the little hole in the center, and then I pull and tug until I get it just right. I cut off the ends with scissors, and then I use glue dots to adhere it down. Oh, here I'm gluing down the white mat on top of the blue mat, the Night of Navy. And then I am going to glue it down on the Z-fold. Just be careful when you are gluing it down that you don't want the glue to extend off the edges, because remember the blue mat is kind of offset with the white border. Burnish it down with your burnishing tool. Make sure you get the edges nice and crisp and folded flat. Now I'm adhering the bow with some glue dots. I'm embellishing it with some gems, and I'm using the Take Your Pick tool, which makes it easy to pick up the small little gems rather than using my fingers. I forgot to decorate the inside, so I'm just putting a bunch of lavender on the inside using Highland Heather and Fresh Freesia again. And then there you have it. There's a simple Z-fold card